Addressing the media shortly after the inspection, Mr. Onukuba revealed that the state government is already making plans of expanding cattle grazing across the local government areas of the state and commended the owner of the farm for the initiative, assuring him of government's partnership.
Come here to show the world that actually there is a ranch for Igbo production. That's our local breed of cow. So we are here to see for ourselves and to show the world that this is a doable thing. The state is thinking of partnering with Opaleke here to develop more farms within the local government areas in Anambra State to produce our own domestic cow.
Contributing, the Abga spiritual leader, Chief Romi Ezonwoka, expressed hope that the issue of destruction of farmland by cattle and other activities of herdsmen, which according to him affect agricultural development, will in a few years become history if efforts are sustained in breeding and grazing what he called Anambra cow.
I saw that place is something commendable. That nearest future, the Anambra, not only having Anambra rice, that of fish now is already in vogue. Anambra fish now is there. Anambra Ogo, Anambra Onugu. This time around, we are going to have Anambra cow, so that all this Fulani here will not bring their cow to destroy the people's farm.
Responding, the chairman, Igbo Farm Umuchu, Prince Ugochukwu Obaleke, who expressed satisfaction with the visit of the commissioner, offered to give every necessary assistance to ensure that the dream becomes a reality. He explained that cows can actually be grazed indoor, as his cows have been doing well without stepping out over years.
Raw materials from the farm and compile our feed to feed. The governor has said it. So we have to develop it in so many local governments in Anambra State. We can get some farmers and give them the cow. They develop it. Small time, for highest 3 years to 4 years, 5 years. We start selling to others.
The commissioner later proceeded to Jusam Farm Ufuma, a company that is into public-private partnership business with the state government to boost rice production in the state. The chairman Jusam Farm, Mr. Oliver Okeke, while receiving the commissioner and his entourage, commended Governor Willie Obiano for reviving the agricultural sector of the state, assuring him of contributing towards sustaining the temple. From Ufuma, I am Valentine Mbadoga reporting for ABS News.